Good day, Lamidi from justvideomarketing.com. In today's video, I want to share with you 4 tools that you can use to grow your business on YouTube. So with that said, let's get right into it. So the first tool that I want to share with you is this tool called Morning Fame. So if I go to Morning Fame, by the way, to get access to this tool, you will need an invite. So I'll leave an invite in the description area so you can get access to this tool. So what exactly does this tool do? Basically, it gives you a good overview of how your videos are doing. As you can see, these are my videos on my brand new channel. So it gives you things like channel growth, speeding up, views, average view duration, likes, comments, subscriber gained, how much did each video contribute to the growth of your channel. So it gives you a good understanding of how to improve your YouTube channel. The next thing you can do with it is if you go to the keyword tool, let's see, let's see what I wanted. So let's go to, actually saying the next research session is available on the 26th of June. So, but let me just see something else here. Keyword research here. Yeah. So I did a bit of research earlier on, and just to give you an idea of what I was able to do, if I go to you saved metadata. So let me load this particular video. So you're able to basically look for keywords that you can rank on a new channel. So that's basically what you can do with this tool. So that's the first tool. The second tool is a tool called Super Tools, h-supertools.com, and you've got a YouTube keyword tool. So if I click on that, basically you enter a keyword to gain subscribers on YouTube, for instance. You do a search. This tool is free, by the way. It basically gives you the volume per month and the difficulty in ranking on it, but it also gives you monthly volume of similar keywords. So for instance, if you have medium, high, and then some keywords that are low difficulty, I'm just going to try and see if I can bring up one that we can actually see that's got reasonable monthly volume and low. Okay, this seems to be a very competitive keyword. Let me go to tutorials. So depending on what your niche is, like you can see, it's basically saying for Camtasia tutorial 2021, it's got a 2K per month search volume and it's a low difficulty. So I can basically choose this keyword to rank on, and also this one, and so even Camtasia 2021 new features, it's got a monthly volume of 5,000 and it's low. So I use this tool as well. And the next tool that I use is tube body. So let's go to my channel. This is tube body, and it's also got good tools, thumbnail generator, health reports. You can also explore keywords with it. So again, if I put Camtasia, video editing tutorial, as you can see, it says fair, if I do 2021, as you can see, this keyword isn't too competitive and has enough search volume to make it more targeting. So I can add this to my tools to target. So that's TubeBuddy, another good research tool. And the last tool that I use on a daily basis is Canva. Canva is a design kind of tool, and there's a lot of things you can do with Canva, even the free version. So all my thumbnails I create on Canva, as you can see. But depending on what niche you are, you can create nice, attractive thumbnails. I even created a channel ad for another of my channels using Canva. You've got different templates, so you can create social media, presentations, Instagram posts, logos, stories, you name it, you can create on Canva. So that's another great tool that I use daily to grow my business on YouTube. So that's it for this video. Hope you've enjoyed these 4 tools that I use to grow my business on YouTube on a daily basis. Leave me a comment if you've got anything to say about that. I would also leave links to each and every of these tools so that you can check them out. Remember to subscribe and hit the subscription button so that I can subscribe and hit the notification button so that I can notify you once I make more videos. I'll be making more videos regularly. So with that said, thanks, and see you soon.